Welcome to Raheja Revanta, a landmark of luxury, rising in Sector 78, Gurgaon. Spanning 18.72 acres, it's one of Haryana's tallest residential towers, designed by the creators of Burj Khalifa. Choose from lavish 1 to 6 BHK condominiums, penthouses, or independent villas with private lawns and terraces, each crafted for unmatched elegance. Experience India's first skybridge with an infinity pool, yoga deck, and restaurant on the 46th floor, offering panoramic views of the Aravalli Hills. Rejuvenate at the clubhouse, featuring pools, a gym, a mini theater, and courts for tennis, squash, and more. Thousands of dedicated workers are turning this dream into reality at an impressive pace, creating a world of luxury and innovation. Raheja Revanta, where aspirations touch the sky. Your luxury home awaits.